welcome to Zimbabwe, Rosina. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you so much.
How has been the experience coming to Zimbabwe? Is this your second time?
Oh, this is my second time coming to Zimbabwe, but I've not been to Harare. This is my first time, and I'm so grateful to be in Honde Valley because I used to see in some news and on websites. So it's a good place to be.
Yeah, indeed, that's good to hear. How different of an environment is it between Zimbabwe and Kenya from what you've seen so far?
The difference is the altitude, because where we are training is a high altitude compared to here. Hey, the temperatures is very high. So I think maybe tomorrow we could start early so that we can run much better.
Okay, that is quite good. So let's talk about the marathon that we're about to be a part of, that you are about to be a part of, the Honde Valley Marathon. How excited are you?
Yeah, I'm very excited. Yeah, I don't know how it will be tomorrow because it's a very tough competition. Yeah, it's my first time running through the valleys and the hills. I used to be doing only on the flat courses, maybe.
Okay, so you were part of the Zimbabwe School of Mines Marathon and you won that one. So that means you carry a bit of confidence coming into this particular marathon.
You know, every day is not the same. Sometimes you can win, sometimes you lose. So we expect anything in a marathon because marathon is a long way journey. Sometimes you can run, you have fatigue, you're tired. So you don't know, you pray God only for the best.
Okay, so we are in the eastern part of Zimbabwe and it is known for its beautiful mountains and high altitude. How do you think this is going to be challenging, or describe it, comparing it to your normal training terrain?
To my normal training, it is not far from the training place. We have some mountains and valleys, but here is a little bit higher. So even the scenery here is so beautiful. You feel like staying here. It's a beautiful place to be. We hope for the best even next year. We'd like to get more Kenyans and other countries coming here to Honde Valley.
Okay, so you are pioneering that movement, and we thank you for that. All right, so take us through some of the major marathons you've been a part of.
The major marathons I've done is like Nairobi City Marathon, Kampala Marathon, which is 42 kilometers, Chengdu Marathon, Zagreb, and Bulgaria Marathon, and Ebsa Marathon. And the one in Botswana, I did the Nata Marathon.
Okay, that is pretty impressive. So
yeah,
tell us about your accolades. What you have won?
The one which I won was in Europe and in China, Chengdu Marathon. The other one in Dublin, I was number 7, and in Absa I was number 2, and MTN number 2.
Okay, you're forgetting the Zimbabwe School of Mines Marathon that you won international.
When Zimbabwe School of Mines, I was number 2 in 42 kilometers. And I was in Big Falls 2022, number 3.
Okay, so have you ever done any marathon that goes beyond 42 kilometers?
Not yet, only 42 kilometers, but I'll pray next year I want to do 56K in South Africa.
Okay, dreams and dreams. So this one, the 42 kilometer that you are about to be a part of, how big of a significance is that, looking forward to maybe you participating in South Africa?
Yeah, I think this one can mold me to train hard here, so that running here will mold me to participate in longer distance like 56 kilometers to 50 kilometers. So I'm going to do my best tomorrow. Thank you.
So just your last words in terms of going into this marathon. What do you think you have to do to make sure that you win this one?
So we just pray for it, nothing else. Yeah.
And the practice, you've already done it?
Yeah, we've done it.
And it's enough?
Yeah, it's enough.
Okay, so thank you so much and wish you all the best for
tomorrow. Thank you so much.